there must be a grounded 120-volt power outlet within 6 feet of the operator. If not, a qualified electrician must install a grounded power outlet per local electrical codes. Check the condition and balance of the garage door. The door should move freely without binding from fully open to closed position. Check the torsion bar. It must not move up or down or side to side while opening and closing the door. Any torsion shaft movement may reduce the life of the opener. Allow the door to hang freely at the mid-open position. The door should remain steady and not drift. A trained garage door technician must make adjustments to the door, parts, or springs to correct any of these issues. The 928 may be used on section doors up to 14 feet in height and 18 feet in width. With 18-foot wide doors, consider installing locks and cable tension monitors on both sides of the door. The door must have a 1-inch diameter torsion bar with a torsion spring. Check the drums. The drums can be 4 to 6 inches in diameter. They must not be reverse wound. Check the cables. Cables must not be frayed. There must be at least 2.5 inches of clearance from the torsion bar to the wall, 3 inches of clearance from the torsion bar to the ceiling, and 8.5 inches of clearance between the end of the torsion bar and the wall. Measure the length of the torsion bar from the end of the bar to the bearing plate. It must be at least 1.5 inches long. If the shaft is damaged or too long, it may need to be cut. There is a jumper on the control board to enable or disable the cable tension monitor. The default position is enabled. On a high lift door or with horizontal track angled slightly down toward the door, or if using pusher springs connecting the cable tension monitor may not be necessary. The jumper can be moved from the enabled position to the disabled position with a pair of needle nose pliers. You are now ready to install the operator.